In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at WordPress plugin, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Installed Plugins. Here we have more options like Add New and Plugin Editor. So now we have a list of all the installed plugins. On top, you can see All Plugins, Active, Inactive, Auto Updates Disabled. Below in the list, we have Delete option to delete any plugin we want. Just press Delete and press OK in the notification. As you do so, you can see that the above metrics will update automatically. Then we have Deactivate options on certain plugins, which are active right now. Once you deactivate them, you will get options to activate it or delete it. On top, we have this Add New button to add new plugins. Click on it. Here we have categories like Featured, Popular, Recommended and Favorites. Now you can also automatically install plugins from WordPress plugin directory by clicking here. Also you have Upload Plugin button to upload any plugin you want. You can also search for plugins from this right search bar. So this is an overview about WordPress plugins. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.